How to earn money from Facebook 2019, and I'm talking about an average of $25 per hour. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online. And in today's free training video, I will reveal exactly that, how you can make an easy $25 per hour doing nothing else but sharing something super simple that everyone will actually thank you for, because you will make this kind of money without selling anything. You will be just sharing some cool resources that are free to try out, and every time that someone will try it out, you will make money. So this is an amazing, brilliant way to make money online, and you don't need any experience, you don't need anything really, you know tech skills, you don't need a website, you don't need a blog, you don't need anything to start. This is super simple, anyone can do it. And I'm going to show you exactly how, okay? Before we're going to jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm recording one of these free training videos, I'm giving away $10. So if you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell notifications, and also leave a comment with your PayPal email so I know where to send the money to, and I will reveal the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video, okay? So please stick with me until the end of this video, and also please check out the links in the description of this video if you want to make even more money than just $25 per hour. Please check out the top resource. This top resource will make you hundreds of dollars per day online, and also check out all the free resources that I'm sharing. You will make a ton of money this way, and you'll be able to work from home. So please check out all the links in the description. And right now let's just jump into the content of this video: how to earn money from Facebook 2019 and beyond, and I'm talking about $25 per hour. Okay, so let me just share my screen with you right here. Okay, the website that we are going to use is sharepop.com. Now, this is a free to join website. There's a free sign up. All you have to do is just sign in with your email or your Facebook or your Google account. And as you can see, this website essentially allows you to promote different apps. So Android apps or Apple apps. All you have to do is grab a link, promote it on your social media. So, I'm going to teach you a way that you can do it on Facebook. Obviously, you can use Twitter, you can use YouTube, you can do Instagram, you can do any kind of social media. Okay, so as you can see, it says pick, promote, earn, the best place to earn money with your social networks for influencers with small, medium, or large follower base. Minimum 3,000 followers. And don't worry about this, because the way I'm going to show you, you don't need to have any followers, okay? So you can earn money on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. I'm going to show you the Facebook strategy. They got premium campaigns, fast payments, unlimited earning potential, very, very cool, real-time analytics. So how it works, you pick, you promote, and you earn. So essentially, you're just promoting these apps that are free to join apps on your social media. Very, very easy. They get some testimonials. That's essentially it. So once you're going to sign up and log in, this is what you will see in the back end. Okay, so you got campaigns, you got performance, with you're going to see all the analytics, payments, settings, and help. And all you're going to do right now, let me just show you, how to pick the apps that you're going to be promoting. So go to campaigns and apps, just click on it right here, and you will see a list of different apps that you can promote. Now, obviously this will be different depending on where you are logging in from. I'm logging in from Portugal, so I have just a few different apps. If you're logging from United States or United Kingdom or Australia or Canada, you will see a ton more, okay? So as you can see, I'm going to show you just one example of the Fiverr app. I'm using Fiverr a lot. I used to be a Fiverr seller. I made a ton of money on Fiverr, and I'm actually using Fiverr almost every day just to buy gigs. And what Fiverr wants is they want people to download their app either on Android or iOS, and each time someone will download their app and make a purchase, which is just $5, you will make $3, okay? So all you have to do is just share the link to the Fiverr app. If people gonna install it and make a purchase of just $5, you're gonna make $3. And as you can see, this allows every single country in the world. So you got Australia, Canada, Spain, France, Great Britain, India, Italy, Mexico. So essentially this works from anywhere in the world. Some of the apps only want United States traffic, which is fine. But you know, Fiverr, I think, is a great example. So obviously all you're gonna do is just let's say you want to promote the Android link. You click right here. As you can see, it says, you know, available in 15 countries. And this is your link. So all you have to do is grab this link right here and promote it. So obviously, if you have, I'm going to show you the Facebook, you know, strategy. But if you have Instagram, you can just add it to your Instagram bio. If you have Twitter, just tweet about it. If you have a YouTube channel, you can just record a video about it and say, listen guys, this is an amazing app, you know, check it out, it's free to download, and you know, you can buy a ton of different cool things on Fiverr. Okay, so what I would do with this, I would go to Facebook, and obviously you can share it on your wall, etc. But I would go to the groups that are related. So I actually have a group, Smart Fiverr Profits. It's all about making money on Fiverr. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to share this link. So right now, let me just type it out. Okay, so just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to make something super fast. I'm just, you know, I just wrote, hey guys, did you download the Fiverr Android app? Do it here for free, and I added the link, so I'm going to post it. Obviously, you can do a Facebook Live video, which will get a ton of views, because Facebook is always pushing the Facebook Lives into people's feeds. You can you know, attach an image, you can do a bunch of different things, and essentially, you know, there are a number of different Fiverr groups in this case. So, you know, just find groups that are related to the app that you're promoting. So, you know, in this case, I would just type in Fiverr, I would press search and then go to groups, and just check how many Fiverr related groups are on here. So, you know, all you have to do is just join them. Maybe you are already you know, inside these groups, and just share the link, and that's it. You know, each time someone will install the app and make a purchase, and you can also encourage them to make the purchase. Say it's only $5, you know, super cool, and you're making money. You know, with the Fiverr app, you're making money each time someone is making a purchase. But some of these apps, you're being paid just for the download, just for the install. Okay, so in some cases, you know, people will just install a game or something, and you will get paid. So super cool way, you know, and essentially you're not selling anything, so people will thank you for sharing an amazing resource. You will make money this way, and it's super simple. All you have to do is just copy and paste the link and make money this way. So I find it super amazing. You know, you can make money even if you are 8 years old, even if you are 79 years old and you don't understand anything of technology. You know how to copy and paste a link, right? And again, Facebook is just one of the strategies. You can do, you can even email your friends and say, listen guys, you know, this is the link to join, check it out. It's you know, just download the app and just make a purchase, because I know I found this nice gig or whatever. And obviously you have a number of different apps. So Fiverr is just one example. You got Better Me, a yoga app, fitness app, you know, etc. Even a hotel, so if someone goes for holidays, etc. So you have a number of different ways you can make money with this. And again, the amazing thing is that you're not actually selling anything, and you know, all it takes is just for someone to make a download. Okay, so guys, this is my strategy for you to make money on Facebook for today. You can easily make $25 per hour this way, you know, because there's no cap on how much money you can make. You know, you can share a link, and maybe one person will click it, and maybe 100 people will click on it and get the app. So there's no limit to how much money you can make with this. It's an amazing strategy. Okay, and it's free, of course. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me just remind you to check out all the links in the description if you want to make much more than $25 dollars per hour. Check out the top research that I'm recommending. It will make you hundreds of dollars per day. And also check out all the free resources. These will help you to make money online and work from home. And right now, let's just check out the winner of the $10 giveaway from the previous video. Okay, so let me just go to my previous video. It was how to make money online with Google 2019, $14 an hour. So I'm gonna link to this video as well. You can check it out if you want to make an extra $14 an hour. So let's just grab the URL right here. Let's go to YouTube, random comment picker, paste it in, filter out the duplicate users. We have 57 comments. Let's start raffle and pick a random winner. And we have Hari Hubaya. We got the PayPal email, so right now I'm just going to send the $10 to the winner. Congratulations. Okay, so as you can see, I just sent $10 to the winner of the giveaway. And again, if you want to win $10, just like this winner just did, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell notifications to get notifications each time I'm recording these free training videos, and also leave a comment with your PayPal email. Very, very, very important. And if you have a question, please leave it in the comments as well, and I'm going to answer it for you. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this free training video. Check out all the rest of the videos on this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Right? Ciao, see ya.